Hello guys, in this video I will show you an agentic AI for coding. You can just code with it for free, and it is using all the trending models as this video date, which is code Sonnet 4.5, the Gemini 3 Pro, the Grok thing, and so on. So you just need to type anti-gravity, then press this one, then go for download, and go if it is your Windows or Mac or Linux. Just for my case it's Windows 64. And then after downloading, guys, after waiting the time because I already downloaded this, you just go to anti-gravity. So after sign up with account and so on, you just need to proceed for it. And then, guys, here in the search one, it will load your models. You will find the models that I already mentioned: the Gemini 3 Pro, the Sonnet, the GPT OS 120, the B medium one. And for the planning, you can just buy fast or the planning or so on. So that's it, guys. It's free to use. If it is done and your free premium or your trial is not finished or finished, just try to log in with another account. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe.